What's up, everybody? Welcome back again to another YouTube video. And yes, today's episode is a very special one. Now, this is the part where you relax, sit down and grab a cup of coffee, because I want to take you on a special tour of this beautiful city of Nairobi. And yes, before we even proceed, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video so that others can also get to experience this beautiful city. Nairobi, one of the most beautiful city and the capital city of Kenya. The name comes from the Maasai phrase, 𝙏𝙝𝙖 Nairobi, which translates to the place of cool waters. And according to the 2019 census, the city has a population of 4 million, while the metropolitan area has a population of 9 million. But before it became a city, Nairobi was a swamp. And before it became a city, Nairobi was a swamp, and it was founded in 1899 by the colonial authority in the British East Africa as a rail depot on the Uganda to Kenya Railway. The town quickly grew to replace Mombasa as the capital of Kenya, that is in 1963 when we attained the independence. Nairobi remained the capital of Kenya after independence, and its continual growth put pressure onto the city's infrastructure. Power cuts and water shortages were a common occurrence then. Nairobi has a subtropical highland climate. Evening may be cool, especially in June and July season, when the temperature can drop to 9 degrees Celsius. The sunniest and the warmest part of the year is from December to March. But ever since the country attained its independence, we have seen significant changes in infrastructures in the city. The tallest building, which was KICC, was opened to the public on 11 September of 1973, and facts state that it is the only building in CBD which has helipad that is open to the public.